Okay, welcome to another video, guys. So this will be the grep basic tutorial, just the basic commands, what exactly you want to know. I mean, we have advanced as well, but just to kickstart, this will be fine for basic activities. So what exactly this grep does is, for example, you have a file name. Okay, file A is there. In this file A, you have some, for example, Samir, Zulfi, Sandeep, Sagar, Rajesh, Manoj, these guys are there. Okay, and if you want to see, whether Samir name is there in this file A, then how can you do that? So for that, we need to use this command called grep. Okay, so we have various options of how to get what we want. So I will create some scenarios and then I will just show it to you. So let's quickly create one directory for grep tutorial. So I'm changing it to grep tutorial here. So my present working directory is grep tutorial. Perfect. Now plan is, let me create one file called code, not code, yeah, code1.txt example. Okay, so in this I'm going to make like Samir Zulfi is from sales department. Okay, Manoj is from HR department, Suraj is from admin department, Rajesh is from admin department, Raj is from DevOps department. Then Sagar is from MI department. Okay, and Srinivas is from operations department. Okay, and Raj is from sales department. Okay, Money is from admin department, and Tarun is from HR department. Okay, now, so this is just an example. We have set of files right now, set of lines, and we have some data. Now I'm gonna save it. So for that, you can always press the escape key and then shift ZZ. So it will be saved. If you type ls, we have it, cat code1, we have the data. Perfect. Now so you got one option like I want to see whether a particular keyword is there or not. For example, a particular keyword called sales is there or not. So what you have to do is grep, okay, double quotes open, sales, double quotes closed, and then mention the file name, enter. So wherever you get the sales, so if you see cat code1.txt, so sales is here, the first line, and it identified sales is there, hence it just displaying the entire line. So wherever that sales word is there, it will display the entire line. So sales is here, and there is another sales, Raj is from sales. So where is Raj? No, sorry, not this Raj. Yeah, Raj is from sales department. Okay, this is the simple command on how to find a particular word in a file. Okay, so grep and mention it. Now you can ask me, Samir, what about your mention inside the double quotes? No problem, you can mention here in the single quotes also, you will get the same result. Or you don't need to mention any quotes, it will still give you the result. But advisable is, it's always for example, I'll just show you. For example, cat sales, cat code, right? Okay, now if you see, I want to find out the entire name, Samir Zulfi is there or not. How will you do it? So if I type grep, okay, without any quotes, Samir Zulfi, and then you're typing code1.txt. okay, now it just, yeah, it still gave you this line, okay, but still it just highlighted only Samir. It did not check anything Zulfi or something. Let's see, for example, vi code1, okay, and I'm gonna add Samir Thakur is from HR department. Okay, now we have two Samirs. Okay, now okay, I'm just telling you again, cat code 1. Okay, so we have two Samir but different last names, Samir Zulfi and Samir Thakur. Okay, now I want to see Samir Zulfi, so grep. Okay, and I'm not adding any codes, so let me type Samir Thakur and then code1.txt. Okay, so both Samir is coming up, but the thing is Thakur, you know, I mean, I want only Samir Thakur. I don't want Samir Zulfi. It's unnecessarily coming up in my screen. How do you do that? That's why we always have to do Samir Thakur in the double quotes. So now see, only I'm getting what exactly I want. I don't want other Samir. Or if I want Samir Zulfi, grep. So this double quotes which we are using, it's always advisable. Okay, so just make sure you use that. So grep and then the exact word in the double quotes and then the file name. Okay, and also there is one more thing. For example, cat etc PASSWD. So what is this etc password? I mean PASSWD is, this will list out how many number of users are there and what is their login shell, what is their home user, I mean home location, everything will be there. Now from this file I want to find out one user. Okay, for example, I want to find out a user called Apache. This is a user Apache. Okay, how can I do that? So for that, what I'll do is grep double quotes Apache and then this is the location of the file. So now I got Apache. So if you see cat etc wd, see Apache is here. So it's searching everything and then it's found out like Apache is there, then it is displaying the entire line. For example, if I want to see say SSHD, so again same thing, grep SSHD and then etc PASSWD. Okay, now if you want to if you want to save this one line into a different file or something, what you can do is you can execute the same command and then put this greater than symbol. I hope you guys know this, greater than symbol, and then you can user id.txt, something like this, ls cat user id.txt. See that the particular line has been copied, I mean, and it is saved in a new file. I mean, just a tip actually. Okay, so this is yeah, this is one thing, and next scenario is ls minus l. Let me delete that user id.txt. So I have only one. Okay, perfect. Now cat code1.txt. okay, now let me create one more file. Say for example vi code2.txt. okay, so in this I'm just typing Samir Arora is from Airlines, Manish Arora is from Bollywood, Salman Khan is from Bollywood, SRK is from Bollywood, Surya is from Tollywood, Ajit is from Tollywood, Allu Arjun is from Tollywood, Mohanlal is from, I don't know, Malluwood or something, I don't know. Okay, and what else? Manoj is from Hollywood. Okay, yeah, so WQ or shift ZZ, anything you can use. Now if I type ls minus l, I got code1 and code2, cat code2.txt. let's see whether, yes, we have whatever I have typed right now, it is there. Now let's do this. Grep, I want to see Samir, okay, in both the files, code 1 and code 2. So now it will tell you Samir, it identified in code1.txt file name 2 times. and then in code2.txt also Samir is there. Okay, so we can use in this way as well, code star.txt. So it will find out, it will list out which file Samir has been found out. Okay, say for example, if you want to grep and then sales code star means, I'm just telling, I mean, if you put star there, it means that after code, whatever it comes up, it will take all those files. So sales, we don't have any sales keyword, when we don't have any sales keyword in code 2, that's why code 2 is not coming, only code 1 is coming. So for example, if you see grep sales code 2.txt, no, it's not there. So that's why sorry, grep sales code 2.txt, it's not there, it's giving the empty result. Okay, so you can use in this way as well. So let's see some other options, guys. Okay, so some other options in the sense, grep -i. What do you mean by -i? -i means irrespective of whether it is a capital letter or small letter. So grep -i, and then I'm just typing HR, okay, and then code star.txt. See, I just typed the small HR. Since I've added -i, it just gave me the capital HR also. In case if I type grep and then I'm just typing HR and then code star.txt, you know why I'm using code star.txt, right? Because I have two files. So instead of code star, what I can do is I can type like this, guys. Okay, HR code 1 txt, but I don't want to do that. I mean, you can try any other way, no problem. So now if I type grep, I'm not using -i, okay, and I'm using HR and then code 1.txt and then code 2.txt. Okay, if you hit enter, see the difference between these things. The first line, since I'm using it's case, I mean, it's not case sensitive. Okay, irrespective of whether it is a capital letter also, I'm getting the capital letter search. But here, since I'm not using -i, I'm using -i here, but here I'm not using it. So since I'm not using it, only whatever you are typing here, I'm getting this small. So let's try the other way. Grep capital HR, okay, code. See, I'm getting only the capital letter. Okay, so this is the case sensitive things. This is another option. Now one more option is say grep -v is there. Yeah, grep -v. What this exactly does is, you will see the difference. Samir code star.txt. Now you can see, except Samir keyword, rest of the things will come up. So it is an opposite one. So you can use this way as well in many of your scripting or in your logics when you're working with Linux. Okay, so except Samir, try to find out everything. And then what you can do, if you done this, if you do this command up arrow, and then you can do except, I mean, you can create a file actually, samir.txt. Now if you do cat except samir.txt, okay, expect, sorry, xtpt, yeah, okay, see, it is saved in the file. So you can redirect as well in this. So this is another thing. And the next thing is, say for example, grep -n and then sales and then code 1.txt and code 2.txt. So now what happens is, see here, right, this will tell you the line number actually, okay, on which line the sales is there, on which line the sales is there. So line number 1 and line number 8. So we don't have sales in the code 2.txt actually, okay. But if you want grep -n Samir code star.txt, see, line number 1 and line number 11 and line number 1 again in the code 2.txt file, okay. And the next one is okay, next one is control L, grep -c. Let's see what exactly the C does. Samir code star.txt. Okay, now it shows in the first file two times Samir is coming up. In the second file, one time Samir is coming up. Okay, this will give you the count. Hyphen C is nothing but count of the word. How many number of times? Hyphen C, sales, code star.txt. So 2 times in code 1 and 0 times in code 2. So this is grep hyphen C. This is very important. And the next one is grep hyphen L, and then if you type Samir, and then if you type code code star.txt. Okay, so it will tell you Samir is coming up in what are the files. Okay, say for example, just tell you again, ls minus l, how many files we have? 1, 2 and 3. 3 files are there. Okay, and all these 3 files are what? .txt files are there. Okay, and now I'm going to create one more file. Okay, vi.txt. No, let's do one thing. Yeah, vi.new.txt. Okay, now in this, right, I'm going to type a b c d e f g h something something and all, something 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 something. Okay, now escape key, shift ZZ. Now if you say cat new, yes, it is there. Cool. Now we have 4 files. How many files? 4 files. Okay, now grep, okay, hyphen L, okay, and then Samir, and then I'm going to type star.txt, because all this. So now this Samir, now see what happens if you hit enter. Now see, Samir word is being found out in how many files? Code 1.txt and then code 2.txt. It searched this file also, Samir is not there. We can see cat xpt, Samir will not be there here. Okay, now if you type cat new.txt, here also Samir is not there. So grep hyphen L will be useful for you just to find out this particular keyword is there on whichever files. Okay, it's very important. I think this is more than enough just to kickstart with grep, guys. Okay, thank you.